On the 12th day of Christmas, CutieFish presents
a Christmas Day vlog. Hey guys, and welcome back to CutieFish. So in case you can't tell by my beautiful Christmas jumper, it's Christmas Day! So, what time is it? Let's have a look. It is 7:20 and we were up about 6:30 opening sacks from Santa in my mum and dad's bedroom. So I'm going to quickly run through what I got in my sack. Ooh, so that stuff won't be included in my what I got for Christmas video, which I've decided I am definitely going to do. So I'm just going to show you a few of the things I got, and it's all very exciting. And before anybody comments, I am very, very thankful for what I've got, and I'm not bragging at all, I just want to show you all. So this is what my sack looks like. Let's see if it'll focus. It says Cody on the top of the snowman and Santa on the bottom, from Santa, my love. And then I've spread them out on this table, which has been put in my room for Christmas so that Santa had plenty of room, and I'm going to run through the things. So first off, I got these organic Coca Loco dark chocolate mango, which are pieces of dried mango dipped in dark chocolate. Again, Coca Loco organic hot chocolate spoon milk chocolate. So it's, you stir it into hot water, I think, to make hot chocolate. And the Coca Loco thing I'll show you now is white chocolate snowman. This is all organic, which is amazing. Oh my god. There's a spider on my floor. I'm doing white chocolate snowman. And then this dark chocolate Santa lollipop, also from Coca Loco. This Soap and Glory gift set with loads of their different eyeliners in, the kohl eyeliners, which is amazing. Lipstick from a brand called Natural Beauty. Finally, I got some Real Techniques brushes. This is the Your Eyes Enhanced starter set. So these all look very nice, and I was lacking in eye brushes, so I can't wait to use these. Then also, what I'm going to show you in my mirror, I got this headband, this snowman headband, and then this outfit, which I'm going to show you now, like in the mirror, like I said, but then I might get somebody to film it for me later, so it's better quality. So I got this gorgeous snowman Christmas jumper, like I showed you, and then some tartany leggings, which have little roll-ups at the bottom. I'm now all glammed up for Christmas, so let's go downstairs and see what's going on, because I've been up here for a while making this look acceptable. Merry Christmas, Grandad.
Merry Christmas, Cody.
Merry Christmas, Cody.
Merry Christmas.
Good.
It's Christmas! And we have just came downstairs, and look at all the presents behind us. It's so exciting.
Did I?
Wait.
We're doing Cody's next.
It's a candle!
Light.
Where's it going?
Oh my god.
In the window.
Can you smell it?
Yeah. I like need this so much right now. So I've just bought my first lot of presents upstairs for my brothers and sisters and aunties and uncles, and I love them so much, and I've just enjoyed Christmas so much this year, and it's only 9:15, and yeah, I'm so happy. So I'll catch up with y'all in a bit.
Mike, you got your 100 now?
Yeah.
She good.
There's more than that.
Oh, wow.
I know.
Another one? Stop messing around. It's your time.
Oh wow.
Cody, nobody cares about those.
That's so good.
Cody, you'll be out.
They're all Wednesday, so
Yeah, but this is heavenly.
Spend a bit of time getting on.
Listen what
I'm very excited. Never got from there.
But it's purple.
purple.
That joke's got it.
Lava! The impossible
I know, but every time I got that right.
It's a box! How did I know?
What is it then?
Second doctor.
The third doctor.
So John Perkins
What, do you not know what they are?
Wow, there's only first one on this then. Fourth,
Oh. Oh.
Hey, I tell you what, has it? Hey, got it. Oh, it has. It's got the. It has. It's got him in it.
Where's your cake?
Oh, something
He doesn't have peak holding in it.
I need to blow my
What is
nose.
it? What is it? Bubble wrap?
That didn't work. Yay!
And you, Dad?
Oh yeah, camera tripod.
Oh!
Yeah.
Can I open it?
You'll burn it.
I wonder what this is
Can I
going
just
to
open
be.
his head?
Oh, it's so cute!
What is it? What is it?
Merry Christmas, but I think I'll miss this one this year. We've opened quite a few presents and we're just about to head round to Auntie and Uncle's house to see them. So I hope you've... Oh, yes, it's the day after Christmas. I hope you had a very good Christmas yesterday. Here's what I've opened so far. I am going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video, so I'm not going to show you. Hey, Tyler. You having a good Christmas? I don't know whether that's pointed at you.
Alright.
Have anything to add?
Hey Alex. First one I said.
Did you get the other one out as well?
Yeah.
You
You're
just...
not there because you want to be.
just...
What do you think about you?
Wasn't a great nap.
Why not?
And that size up for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come out and put them.
Can I have a Wii U instead?
So have you got many presents to open, Papa?
Well, I've got these.
In summer.
Times I didn't want to miss it.
What's this for? Is it a cookie book?
It's a green and black recipe book.
Is that what you want?
3, 2, 1.
These are just weird and they don't fit.
Maybe.
Who is it? I can get the Christmas pudding. You have to put that on.
Oh, and yes, it's in the wardrobe.
Did you get any cream?
I've got loads of cream. I've got squirty cream. I've got double cream.
Hark now, hear the angels sing. Listen to what they say.
Sounds like going section.
This is four-wheel drive ability fused with urban agility. This is
And the slippers.
It's a bit dark there. Did you need a light?
presents you didn't get.
Turn around.
Online now and in extra stores from Boxing Day.
Let's just had Christmas dinner and it was really good, wasn't it, Dale?
Yeah.
What was your favourite part of Christmas dinner?
The sausages with bacon wrapped around.
AKA... What else are they called?
Pig and blanket.
And we're gonna
Oh, yeah,
chill.
video.
Did you like Christmas dinner?
It was alright.
Yeah. And we're going to chill for a bit and then open our last few presents, I think. So these are the presents that we've got left to open, and this is my pile. They've been split into piles now of who they're for. And this is my one. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm not sure why I started this clip and I have no idea what I'm going to say. Christmas has been fabulous so far, and I just want to quickly say Merry Christmas and thank you to everybody who's watched any and all of my 12 Days of Christmas videos. This is the last one and that makes me really sad, but it's been great fun, and if you've watched all of them then I love you so much. If you've watched one of them then I love you so much, and if you'd like to catch up with any of them, the playlist will be linked down below so you can go see them all, even though it's after Christmas, if you just want to hold on to that Christmas. And also my What I Got for Christmas video will be up this Sunday, fingers crossed, so keep an eye out for that if you would like to see what I got today.
Ooh, yeah.
Christmas pudding.
Is this batteries? You've got batteries in it?
This is from Mother and Father. Bags here, Cody.
On my last living campaign.
Oh, blooming hell, another one.
It's a bake off.
Mini little Charlotte's Cody stuff. Mindy! Oh, wow!
Dillon.
Imagine if it was actually lush in here. Oh my god. It's so gorgeous.
They're not purple,
This is
are
from my dad. Huh?
Is that purple?
I was wondering.
I think it might have been. Do you want me to tell you again? Just so you know?
Yeah.
Mum and dad.
Oh my god.
This way up. I'm excited to find out what it is.
I'm very.
When I get my,
That's not meant to be Kira's. Isn't that what Kira's got?
No more donuts! More donuts! They look tiny, don't they?
No, it's not. It's just purple.
Did you know that was that then?
What is it?
I didn't know that exactly. It's a blush hat box. Thank you, Mummy.
You took one photo of it, didn't you?
it would have told that that's in my first sack. And my second. And my third. That's it.
Woolly
It's a food
Is it just the
mixture.
box?
It's a food mixture.
Oh my god.
Kira.
You should
Kira.
Oh my god, I need to get this off.
Mom. Did you buy this after my calendar?
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Look at it.
It's our present time. Do I only have one?
Right. What was the other one?
Let's go.
It's so weird.
Lula.
Let's go again.
It says on the other.
Cabbage Patch Kids. Mummy, that is the best thing ever. I think it is.
Which should I open?
It has a lot of
that on camera.
Lipstick.
Yes.
I think you might end up with cheese on your face.
Wait, what?
No. Mac and cheese.
Oh my god, that colour is gorgeous.
Is it? It was very tricky to decide. Did I go for a nudie one or a dark one?
From a park in Liverpool, as well as the mix of botany and House Garden. They're a legacy way of saying thank you to those who've done good deeds. The community, country, and Commonwealth.
Oh my god.
The Queen invites her guests
What is it?
to enjoy the natural splendour of her garden.
Film it. I was not expecting that.
iPad mini.
Experience of a life.
It's apple.
She's already got a tablet.
She's not got
No,
time.
everybody else got one. They did. Oh my god.
Only
It's apple though.
purpose of this garden.
I've got really like hot and dizzy and shaking.
Are you sure there's one in there?
Well, it is cutting rabbit. Charger? Lights?
Here
It's a
on the
light
far side of the garden,
So
there's a
allegedly,
but
apparently
everybody's
you
just
can
why
plug
it
in the
is
camera
that this
to it
garden is so
to
unique.
maybe edit your movies on
Movies.
iMovie.
iMovie! I can use
I hope. That's the whole point of it.
A year ago, and before that, it hadn't been discovered in London for over a century. The hell is
These are all my presents. Obviously, I'll be showing you more detail in my What I Got for Christmas video, as I've said. I'm just in awe of all the things I've got, and I'm so thankful. And it's been such an amazing day, so... I'm just feeling the love right now. If you're watching this and you got me any presents, thank you very much, because I love everything I've got, and they're all so thoughtful. So thank you, and I think we're going to go have some Christmas pudding now. Finally pudding time! Here's my good old Christmas pudding. Cozy, super flattering PJs. Whoop whoop. I had sleep. These are so soft. Oh my god.
Shh, everyone stop talking.
Miranda! Watching Call the Midwife, and I'm sat here with my beautiful iPad and my gorgeous Lula. And Kira's here eating soap waffles. Have you had a good day? I don't think we're gonna do it. I'm just gonna for a second. I don't think we're going to do much else today, so I'm going to say goodbye now and Merry Christmas. I hope you have enjoyed my 12 Days of Christmas videos, and I will see you on Wednesday or Sunday. On Sunday for my What I Got for Christmas video. Love you lots, like jellytots. Bye.